What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video learning Java. My name is Curious Dani and you guys watching my channel Readable. Alright, so in the previous video we have done our switch statements here, and as we all learned that this is more concise and more compact. If you guys looking here, and more clean. But after Java 14, Java introduced something called arrow. So instead of this break, we use arrow, so that's even makes more your code shorter and makes more your code readable. Alright, so to look at the arrow, we're gonna go here and we're gonna copy all of this. So we're gonna copy all except the switch because we need the switch. Here I create a class, so you guys can go here and create a new. You need to create a Java class. I name my class switch expression. You can switch expression. You can name anything you guys like. You switch ABC, switch XYZ, whatever you want to do. So you're gonna put this one except the switch because here we need information. We need the system print out ranking players. So it's up to you. You want to do from 1 to 20, or you can do from for example. Leveling from 1 to 5, that should do. You can do 1 for 1 to, you can do anything you guys like. You don't have to do this. So we're gonna come here and put a, for example, we put a switch and we put our score here. As I said, you can do, for example, you can do int, and you can assign x, for example, assign x to 10, and you can here put your x here, and you can do case by case basis. If say for example, if it's x is greater than, or if it's x is less than, then you can find this number. Alright, so here now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put a case 1, and now we use arrow. We do system dot out print ln, and we do level 1. For example, we do your level is 1. For example, your score is between for example 1 to 20, and beginner. For example, we can do like this, and we can do the case 2. So we can do system dot out dot print ln, and we can do your score is between say 20 to 40. And I don't think we have anything for this. For the second one, we 2040 is 40 to 60 intermediate. So the third one is going to be intermediate, and say for example we're going to copy this guy here. So we have a typo here, score, and we're going to have a typo, and we're going to put it, copy and paste it 2 times. Alright, so now we're going to change this one 3 and change this one 4. Your score is between 40 to 60. 40 to 60. Say intermediate. So intermediate, and your 1, 2, 3, 4. Your score is between or your level is, your score is between 60 to 80, and top, for example, and your top level, and the last one you can put a 5, and your score is between 80 to 100, and it's professional level. It's a top level. Alright, so the last one is you guys gonna come here and put a default, and the default we're gonna put a system dot out dot println, and you will say unknown level, please try again. So now you tell me if this one's easier than our this guy's here. So even this guy's here, even it's got a break, and it's got all this, but since Java 14 they have replaced and they put this arrow. So this arrows now look like it's a break. Make it shorter and make it say more readable, for example. So now if you put for example case 1, 2, 3, any number you guys gonna put, you're gonna see your level, for example. So okay, so now we're gonna go and run, and we're gonna go run the last one. Alright, so enter level between 1 and 5. Say for example if you're entering 3, your score is between 14, 60 intermediate, for example. So how about if you're putting more, for example, so enter 1 and 5. So how about if you put a 1 and 20, you're a beginner. So how about if you put a, for example 8 or 9, which is so unknown level, please try again. So how about if you put for example 4, your score is between 40 and 16 to 80 top level. So how about if you wanna put for example 3, 40 to 60 intermediate, we can try 2 now. So if you try 2, 20 to 40. So that's how we do. Now look, our journey, we came in from here, from if else. We look at the code, and it's a massive code. So we have changed it to this guy's here, so it's even more readable and more good. Look at here, we have put our score is even more readable, and this one is even more readable. Look at here, it's very easy to understand. So now if someone is going to show you this code, you're looking for a score that's between the levels, and look at this, the code here that we've done exactly the same ones here. So we have done what we had in the if statement, and we have done our scoring here. This guy is here, so and this guy is here, that we've done exactly the same one. So after Java 14, Java introduced this arrow to come and replace the break. So instead of the break, we just put this arrow, so to make the code more shorter and more readable. So now if looking here, how many lines we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. And if you look in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it makes it nearly, this one's nearly half of the previous ones. So after, as I said to you, after Java 14, Java introduced this arrow to come and replace this break. So we don't put a break, we don't put this one, and we just put an arrow here. So that's it about switch statements. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, Crywood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.